Hello, good evening. My name is Marilu Hechu Gochuku. And here's my presentation. First, my name, as I said, my name is Marilu Hechu Gochuku. And this is Community Health Method. And this is Winter 2023. Okay, I have completed primary and secondary school and have a certificate in BYU pathway. Yes, I did pathway for a year and I have my certificate. I'm from Nigeria. I have studied program planning and implementation. I've studied business application, etc. I have studied a lot of courses too here. Yes, I've studied a lot of courses in BYU pathway. And I love to dance. I love to travel and I love to cook for my family. I have a child, a son. Yes, he's 7 months now, 7 months plus. Okay, and here is my favorite scripture. I love this scripture so much. Alma 7 verse 7. It talks about counseling with the Lord in all your doings. He will direct thee, he will guide thee. And before we sleep at night, we should call upon him to protect us when we sleep. That's my scripture right from primary till now. Love the scripture so much. And I have an experience in identifying drugs for various illnesses. My mom is a pharmacist, so I have stayed with her. I've seen her sell drugs to people, and I can really say for sure I can tell someone of a drug he or she should take for a particular illness. And here's the last slide. And this is my expectation in this course. I hope to gain effective skills in public health. I love to be a successful public health practitioner one day. Yes, I love to help people who are ill, who are sick, to regain their self once more. So I'm so happy to share this with you. And this is a little about me. So I hope to gain more, and I hope to um go back this course with you guys. Thank you very much. Bye.